Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into your Axis Bank online banking account right from your computer, quick and easy. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to get access to your online banking account for Axis Bank, then here's how to do it. Open up a web browser of your choice. Into the URL box at the top, type in www.axisbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official web page of Axis Bank and it'll look like this. To log into your account, mouse over to the login button at the top right and this will bring up a pop-up menu. Go ahead and choose whether you'd like to log into your personal account or your corporate account and click the login button right next to your choice. In my case, I'm going to open up my personal account, so let me click on this login button right next to personal. Now, you can log into your internet banking account for Axis Bank by choosing one of the options over here. You can either enter your login ID followed by your password, your debit card number followed by your PIN code, or your MPIN followed by a mobile number or your customer ID. Choose any one option that is comfortable for you. Let me click on the login ID option for now. Go ahead and type in your login ID if you've selected login ID and now head over to the next field and type in your password for your internet banking account. In case you don't remember your password, you can click on Forgot Password link beneath the login button and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. If you are using for the first time, you'll need to register in order to get access to your internet banking account for Axis Bank. So click on the register link and follow the instructions to create a new online banking account first. After entering your credentials, you can click the login button and you'll be able to log into your online banking account or your internet banking account for Axis Bank. This much for today. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.